while government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies. Digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, included as ETH. With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculations and science-upheld digital forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain world. Outline of Ethereum. A wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin. The Ethereum blockchain is a high-level undertaking. It is generally well known among digital money lovers, principally because of its nodal position in the realm of cryptographic forms of money. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest digital currency, the whole peculiarity and the central center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers engineers to form and work on brilliant agreements, consequently executing tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0, additionally called Serenity. ETH 2.0 is the expansion of the Ethereum system with added highlights to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a continuous and steady stage-wise uncovering with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional improvement and proficiency, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding strategy to lessen the exchange cost and speed up. Including sharding with the existing blend will expand its asset use execution incredibly. Moreover, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, Ethereum virtual machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the consolidation is currently at long last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is currently more eco-accommodating because of the union. The whole digital money market experiences flighty cost unpredictability, settling on the speculation choice and altcoins seriously testing. In any case, according to our estimates and specialized examination, the crypto world will just see a flood in exchanging exercises and venture altcoins. ETH digital currency confronted enormous negative tension in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell underneath $2,500 by January 2022 and afterward. Due to the crypto market decline of May 2022, the cost of Ethereum has seen a precarious fall. Starting from the start of 2022, ETH has checked huge unpredictability in its cost activity. Throughout recent weeks, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,000 and $850. At present, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,212. For what reason is Ethereum going down? One of the principal justifications for why Ethereum is going down is the series of forceful financing cost climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers persistently stress over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, consequently searching for preferred choices over the Ethereum market to put away their cash. Simultaneously, the ETH value estimate of exchanging monsters uncovers the coin will have just reached $2,055.85 by 2025 because of the negative cost history, while long estimate uncovers that ETH cost might be $2,455 by 2026 in light of their Ethereum cost gauge. Ethereum value expectation 2022. Ethereum might have least normal and most extreme exchange costs of around $1,150, $1,400, and $1,650 for the leftover long term, according to our Ethereum expectations. The Ethereum future after this negative stage looks encouraging in the crypto market. Without a doubt, Ethereum will be worth by more than $1,500. ETH value expectation 2023. In light of the specialized examination and cost variances, Ethereum digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,081 for 2023, while the base and most extreme costs of ETH are expected to be $1,787 and $2,375. Ethereum value expectation 2024. Taking a gander at the Ethereum value expectation and specialized examination, it very well may be guessed that the most extreme worth of ETH might be around $2,987. Simultaneously, the previous exhibition additionally recommends that the base and normal qualities might be $2,442 and $2,715. Ethereum value expectation 2025. According to our Ethereum cost expectation for 2025, the base, normal, and most extreme exchange values might be around $2,921, $3,255, and $3,589 in the crypto market. According to the Ethereum Cost Forecast 2025, we expect numerous organizations and mixes soon of Ethereum organization. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. Our Ethereum conjecture uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $3,257 to $3,934, where the previous is the most reduced conceivable cost while the last option is the most elevated conceivable cost for 2026. While the typical cost for the year might be $3,596. ETH Coin Value Forecast 2027. In view of the Ethereum estimate, the coin might have an expected high and possible low of $4,475 and $3,851 separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $4,163. Ethereum Crypto Value Expectation 2028. As per our expectations, for the year 2028, the base and most extreme costs are supposed to be around $4,698 and $5,230 individually. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $4,964. Ethereum Coin Value Forecast 2029. Constantly 2029, Ethereum's cost will have seen an incredible ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In light of our Ethereum cost expectation, the coin's cost might reach as high as $6,241 in the year 2029. While it might exchange around a low of $5,313. The typical worth is supposed to be around $5,777. Ethereum Value Expectations 2030. Our ETH cost expectations 2030 showed the coin may be dashing to peak. The token might have a base cost of $6,795 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a huge high of $7,650 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost expectation. The Ethereum future looks extremely encouraging in view of our examination. With Ethereum showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto Epicurean. We infer that the Ethereum projected development will definitely arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost forecast, assuming you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might procure great returns. Nonetheless, this doesn't comprise venture exhortation in any structure. Do your own exploration to diminish the high gamble of losing cash quickly. Will Ethereum go up in 2022? Without a doubt, your interest in ETH makes certain to break all limits according to our Ethereum cost expectation. Nonetheless, do your own careful exploration prior to putting away your cash. Take your exchanging choices and put away cash just in view of your venture goals to diminish every one of the dangers. How high will Ethereum go? According to our Ethereum cost expectation, no other crypto can guarantee a fantasy with this idealism. Adding ETH to your crypto wallet can end up being an important venture. You plan all your speculation choices carefully and decisively. According to our Ethereum cost forecast 2030, the coin will have basically a worth of $6,795. Is Ethereum a wise speculation? Indeed, ETH is the future as it is quick to accompany savvy contracts. For crypto financial backers, the verifiable value pattern can demonstrate Ethereum a wise interest